The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee (MPCC) demands the immediate suspension of Deputy Chief Minister Snehaw Bhalangdhar following serious allegations made by the proscribed Nyotrap National Liberation Council (HNLC). The MPCC urges the MDA-2 government to ensure a transparent investigation into these claims. Party leader Manuel Badwar emphasized that the government must take swift action and allow an unbiased investigation, distancing Congress from any involvement in the allegations. The call for an inquiry has been joined by the opposition Voice of the People Party and has placed mounting pressure on the state government.
Utan lang ya kerteng juga Congress Party kini ka kontroversi mo kini ka jingjang bajang ni. But ngila bakwa ngikwa pen scam ni kajing mud jungi ba da kalong so kumno ka party kamlong involve AA ru kini. But lada ka day kata ka accusation ka paki keno kadi ka MDA government ka ban khapsim ya kata ka rai. But idi ba Snehaw Bhalangdhar iba khapsim ya ka rai ba inhap hiar shuki na ka jinglong minister jungi kenang ba ka investigation kata ka jing wat jing tip company ka jing tokit company ka jing ja kandai ka ba khamsani but kandai ka AKA ka banwan ra shisai ka hok. But kum ka party ngimdan kti AARUM hakata ka AKA ban keno pat ki brio ban chu pharep lumar ka detang ka rukom ka ban tap etmio AKA ka jing tulot jong lajong ban nginget ban ngi up lanu ka MDA government kan penhiar syuki ye Snehaw Bhalangdhar bat kan ong yi namar ba hakanu rukom ka jing tokit kan khlan lada minister markat sadan be kata ka political interference tingi ko aban ong ban ka party hi kampat judan menuru kani ka party ka scam yakin nong rem jong lajong kabat ka scam ka ba kanum hakanu ka poru bat kile no kinum don kti bat kadi ka party ka ba mdei tabatang menta bat menuru bat ngi kwa ban pensu thu ik pa ba ro khai ba ka jin kwa jong ka party hi ka dei ban ka namal ka allegation kam dei ka baret kadi ka allegation ka bala kham ka bala long serious ba de kumi kita ka judge allegation nga tharai nga kadon kam hi ka state baro ko wai bat ki pat ba ki don kam man yo hi ka hok bat kata ka hok ka di ban wan ba hi ani ban le pat ka jing tokit ngi tangi ngin bot den ban ngin pet ban ngin ai ka jing yarap na ka party la ki don kam ban tip kam banya ne don kam ke AKA ka bangi ru ngi kwa ban support ngin support bet namar kani ka di anti national ka di jaka imlang sa lang ju pat ba hi baro khat kam dei bak ban long ha kani ka rukom.
The Congress Party has opted out of the MDA-2 government's all-party committee, which was formed to deliberate on issues like railway connectivity and the Tura winter capital proposal. MPCC's Manuel Badwar criticized the government for its selective consultation, accusing it of acting unilaterally on important decisions in the past. With both Congress and the VPP withdrawing, questions are now being raised about the purpose and effectiveness of the government's consultative initiative.
Did they have an all-party committee when they decided about casinos? They did not have. Did they have an all-party committee about when they decided about border issues? They did not have. So why pick and choose? It's not right. Yeah.